So first of all, congratulations for the trailer. Means it looked amazing.
Thank you.
It's like a visual spectacle.
You really mean it, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. So like, what was your feeling like watching yourself on the silver screen? Like, yeah, now I'm like, बड़े पर्दे का hero.
I think it is. I'm. I'm tongue-tied right now because it's not the feeling about looking at myself on screen. Because this project has been like a baby. Just to see your baby out there, that's a different feeling altogether. Looking at myself on screen, I've seen it a couple of times.
But still, like earlier you watched it in like studio or something like that silver screen, but like on 7
Yeah, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. It's like a baby that. Sorry, let me put it like this. I've always felt, or it's an old saying rather, that when you make a film, the producer is the father, and the director is the mother of the child. So seeing your own baby out there, as an actor, I'm absolutely thrilled. But just seeing the entire, it's like a dream, like I told you. This film has been about dreams. Just seeing that dream up there. In fact, I was fumbling a lot because I was really emotional inside. I did not want to break down or anything on stage.
We generally see games whenever someone wants to launch themselves, they'll safe side ke liye, they'll always prefer ki let's do a rom-com or to be on the safer side. Like audience want that kind of thing, but you opted like why you choose like this kind of genre or like yeah.
See, I'll tell you what. I've been, like I said earlier also, films and cinema is about telling stories. If the story is exciting, if the story is interesting, and if the story is worthy of being, you go inside a cinema, lights are off, you forget about the real world, you forget about your problems, you forget about anything. The criteria was always to make a film worthy of going into a theatre and having a blast. So that was the idea. It was never के rom-com करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, plus never the idea.
So basically what's in your mind right now means abhi just COVID has come, and do you think like now people are pretty much they are ready to come in the theatre and watch a film?
See, COVID has been a very unfortunate incident in the entire human race. I don't know how to put it. COVID has been an unfortunate incident for the entire human race. But the good part is we fought hard. We minimalized the damages that could have been done because of COVID. People are getting back to normal. For a while, probably this will be the new normal. Like people have started going out. We're going to work. We're going here. We're going there. As long as we feel we maintain precautions and we maintain safety, it's for our own good. Like, I also want to say one more thing. I understand the question was about whether people will come back to cinemas or not. Cinema owners, and that is the reason why we decided to have this event here. Hats off to all cinema owners, hats off to all cinema chains. The way they're maintaining the social distancing protocol is, I really think it's a safe experience. Otherwise, we would have ourselves not endangered ourselves to have this event out here. We were very clear and we saw, it was amazing. And honestly, I don't think if we follow social protocols, if we follow the COVID guidelines and the protocols as per the government, that should be a problem. But again, it's a personal choice. We enjoy cinema in the big screen. We enjoy cinema coming to a theatre. And so we would love if other people want to come out. We also feel that it's been a long time. Everybody's been caught at home. Everybody's been trapped inside their houses. And it's time to accept the reality. Take precautions, wear your masks, keep social distancing, keep sanitizing your hands. At the same time, you'll have to live life like this till the time this completely fades.
There are several reasons to watch this film, but we would like
I like that. You have to tell me one reason that you want to watch this film.
First of all, I love the genre. Means plot of aviation is new thing. I don't think so. I've seen this like in Bollywood specifically, and it's very engaging. Like the way I have seen, they have the editing is so sharp and crisp. I loved it personally. So I wanted to you should share some of the things like why should audience shouldn't miss this film. Some of the points.
See, again, I might be sounding repetitive right now, but the idea is it's a big screen experience. It's worthy of coming to a theatre and seeing it. We won't bore you. we'll keep you entertained the entire time. So two very important things in terms of cinema and films. You'll be entertained and it's worthy enough to see it on the big screen.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.